Alright, awesome. So I have sound, baby. I gotta do the test all over again. So anyway, welcome. My name is Wilster. I talk about all things food delivery. Right now I'm just doing a current test. I'm doing a couple of tests. I had to start over because I wasn't able to hear anything. So that was my first test. My first test is the mic setup. So I installed a shout out to the recommendations. I'm testing out the Movo mic. It has Gooseneck, so it has a little wire, you can move it around. I have it somewhere right on my chin. I wasn't able to adjust it, but it's in there. You're gonna hear what it sounds like. I'm gonna test out the visor open with the whistling. Alright, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear that. The helmet generates that sound. Alright, that's test number 1. Test number 2 is I'm gonna put it halfway. I mean all the way almost shut. This has a bunch of wind noise. So I wonder if you guys can hear the wind. This is probably the setting that is going to be more important. Alright, we're going to see if you guys were able to hear the wind sound. Alright, damn, my boy's been selling stuff like that for years. So a guy just passed by. He's got those crazy feet, like hands for feet. That's nuts. I want to shout out to my boy out here hustling. Anyway, so I wanted to test the breathing. So let me close the visor completely. Alright, so now it's completely shut. And here's where I could test my breathing. So I'm going to purposely breathe in and out really loud just to see what it sounds like. Alright, and then my final test is just the visual, which I kind of took a look at it already. I think it looks great. It's just like the GoPro Max. So I'm going to turn my head, turn it right. I'm going to turn it sideways, like to an angle, and then it's supposed to do horizontal leveling, so it should stay the same. It shouldn't be tilting to the sides. That's another plus. That's another test. Let's see, I'm driving fast again. Let's test this wind noise. I'm going to have it completely shut. See if there's any wind noise. There shouldn't be. Alright, I'm gonna crack open the thing a little bit. Alright, now I could hear a bunch of wind noise, but I wonder if you guys could. This one is the most important test. If there's no wind noise like this, perfect. And also I want to hear the balance of the sounds from outside and the sounds from like the ambient noise and all that. See if you can still hear it. And then finally the whistling. So I guess I'm doing it a couple times. Alright, well guys, we'll see what it's like. Hopefully it sounds good. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna test the thing. I'm not gonna go hustle today, but I'll catch you. Let me know what you guys think of the new setup. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the audio, the visual. You know, it's getting there. Setup is getting there. Alright, I'm excited guys. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm gonna come out and grind. We got a new challenge coming up on this Monday, all out December. Let's end these last 3 weeks strong with a nice little chunk change in our pockets. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.